If you've inherited a home here in Sonoma County, or you're the trustee of a family trust that holds real estate, you may be wondering, how do we actually sell this property? Maybe it's a home in Santa Rosa or a vineyard adjacent property in Healdsburg, or a family home in Petaluma that's been in the family for decades. Whatever the situation, selling a house held in a trust is different from a typical home sale. And if you don't do it right, it can cause delays, legal headaches, and even jeopardize the entire transaction. I'm Chelsie Runnings, a local trust, probate, and inherited home realtor right here in Sonoma County. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to know step by step. So, what is a trust and why does it matter? First, let's make sure we're on the same page. A living trust, sometimes called a revocable or irrevocable trust, is a legal arrangement where a property and assets are owned by the trust itself, not by the individual. When the original owner passes away or becomes incapacitated, a trustee steps in to manage and, if needed, sell the property. In Sonoma County, this is incredibly common. Many families in Sebastopol, Windsor, Roanoke Park, and throughout the county set up trusts specifically to avoid probate, which is the public court-supervised process of transferring assets after death. A trust keeps things private, and in most cases, it's much faster. But faster doesn't always mean simple. There are still very specific steps the trustee must follow before a sale can close. Step 1, you need to confirm your authority to sell. You'll need to locate the trust itself first and review the language carefully. Most trusts grant the trustee broad powers to sell real estate and assets, but some have conditions, like requiring approval from multiple beneficiaries or waiting for a specific event to happen before you can sell. You'll also want to get a certificate of trust. This is a condensed document that proves the trust exists and easily identifies the trustee without revealing all the private details of the full trust. Your title company will certainly ask for this before they can close the sale and the escrow. Step 2 would be to notify beneficiaries of your intention to sell the real estate. Now, not all trusts require this. However, communication among family members before listing the property is so important to a smooth transaction. Many family disputes that I see could have been easily avoided with a simple family conversation early on in the process. Before I go any further, if you're already dealing with a trust property here in Sonoma County and you're not sure where to start, I would love to help. I offer a free, no obligation consultation specifically for trustees and families navigating the sale of trust-held real estate. We'll talk through your specific situation, your timeline, and what the current real estate market looks like in your area, whether that's Santa Rosa, Petaluma, Healdsburg, or anywhere else in the county. Just click the link in the description below or give me a call directly. There's no pressure, just honest local guidance from someone who knows the real estate market and has a true understanding of how trust sales work. Okay, let's keep going. Step 3 is get the property appraised and start to prepare it for the sale. Once your legal authority is confirmed and beneficiaries have been notified, it's time to prepare the property for market. Here's something trustees often overlook. The property needs to be priced based on fair market value. Because you have a fiduciary duty to the beneficiaries, you can't just take a lowball offer from a family friend or sell below market to wrap things up quickly. You are legally obligated to act in the best financial interest of the estate and the beneficiaries. Right now, Sonoma County real estate remains in high demand, especially for well-maintained single-family homes. Buyers are active, inventory is competitive, and a correctly priced property can generate strong offers quickly. We'll also want to think about the condition of the home. Many trust properties have been lived in for decades. They may need some updates, a deep cleaning, or staging to show at their best. I have a network of trusted local vendors, from contractors in Santa Rosa to stagers in Petaluma, who can help get the home market ready efficiently and cost effectively. Step 4 is disclosures and title. California has some of the most comprehensive seller disclosure requirements in the country, and those apply to trust sales too. Even though inherited homes have a limited scope of disclosures compared to a regular sale, as a trustee, you'll need to complete a transfer disclosure statement, or TDS, and other required disclosures about the property's condition to the best of your knowledge. If you've never lived in the home, there's a specific exemption for certain items, but you're still required to disclose anything you do know about it. On the title side, the title company will need to confirm the chain of title is clean to order title insurance to the new buyer. You need to make sure you have all your trust documents ready to go for them. Step 5, closing the sale. When you accept an offer and open escrow, the process looks a lot like a traditional sale. Inspections, contingencies, appraisal, loan approval, but the seller on all documents will be listed as the trust, not the individual. The trustee signs all documents in their capacity as trustee. You'll often see signature lines that look like Chelsie Runnings, trustee of the Chelsie Runnings Living Trust dated, whatever the date of the trust is. Proceeds from the sale go into the trust account, and then they're distributed to beneficiaries according to the terms of the trust. Let me leave you with the most common mistakes I see trustees make when selling their trust home in Sonoma County. Number 1 is listing the property before confirming legal authority. This can halt a sale mid-escrow. Number 2 is skipping the beneficiary notice. This opens the trustee up to personal liability and halts all sale proceedings. Number 3 is pricing the home incorrectly. Remember, you have a fiduciary duty. Number 4 is not working with a knowledgeable realtor that understands the nuances of a trust or inherited home sale and does not understand the current local market dynamics. Number 5 is going at it alone. Selling a trust property involves real estate, trust law, and tax implications. Building a team of a well-qualified trust attorney, a CPA, and a realtor is absolutely essential. Selling a home held in a trust here in Sonoma County doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right team and the right process, it can be handled smoothly and you can get the best possible outcome for everyone involved. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe. I put out content every week specifically for Sonoma County homeowners, buyers, and families navigating real estate situations like this, whether it be through a trust or a probate sale. And if you're ready to talk about your specific trust property, reach out to me today. You can call me or text me. You can go to my website for more information as well. Whether you're in the early planning stages or ready to list in the next month, I'm here to help you navigate every step of the process. I will see you in the next one.